Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique design firm focused on all the things that make your business the little engine that could. We handle your logos, we handle your website, your point of sale, your inbound marketing, your pay-per-click, and so much more. So check us out today at Strottner.com to see all the different things we have to offer, including our free website program. Now today, in episode 64, we are going to take a more niche view of things, and we are going to dive into a recent blog post. How can you use Google Ads to grow your medical practice? We do a lot of work in San Antonio with medical practices, and we've learned a lot about the different ways that we can support them and help them grow the practice to make sure those exam rooms are always full. So why don't we dive into this blog post now? So how can you use Google Ads to grow your medical practice? I'm going to tell you. But first, I'm going to put my readers back on because I am that age now. So, this is one of my early attempts at an AI featured photo. I think you'll be impressed that that doctor has 10 fingers instead of more, or less, I suppose. So, in today's competitive healthcare market, medical practices face the constant challenge of attracting new patients while retaining their existing ones. Digital marketing strategies have become a cornerstone for success, and Google Ads stands out as one of the most effective tools for driving patient growth. If you're looking to elevate your medical practice, investing in Google Ads can help you reach the right audience at the right time. So this guide is going to walk you through how Google Ads work, why it's beneficial for medical practices, and actionable steps to leverage this platform to grow your practice. Or, as always, to contact Strottner Designs so we can leverage this platform to grow your practice. So why Google Ads is essential for medical practices. Google Ads is a pay-per-click PPC advertising platform that allows businesses, including medical practices, to appear at the top of Google search results. With millions of healthcare-related searches conducted daily, Google Ads offers an excellent opportunity to capture new leads and patients. Now, here are some of the key reasons why it's critical for your practice. First is targeted advertising. It enables you to target potential patients based on location, search, and demographics. Immediate results. Unlike organic SEO results, which take time, Google Ads provides instant visibility. They're cost-effective. With proper campaign management, you can control your ad budget and optimize for a strong ROI, return on investment. High-intent traffic. People searching for healthcare services on Google are often ready to take action, making them high-value leads. So, how do you grow your practice using these ads? One, you must define your advertising goals. Let me stop for a second. We like to tell clients that organic search and pay-per-click are living a healthy lifestyle versus, doing a juice cleanse, right? Living a healthy lifestyle, something you do every day. You eat right, you go to the gym, you take care of yourself, you go to your doctor regularly. That is how you get your organic SEO results. But let's say, you've been doing all that, you still need to drop 5 pounds because your little brother's wedding is in a month. So with that, you'd go on a fast, you do a juice cleanse, you do something that is not sustainable over the long term, because to make it its most effective, it's got to be definable. You have to have a time and a target to make that work. A month of a juice cleanse, not going to be good for you, but you'll lose those 5 pounds. Now, pay-per-click must have a goal, must have a time frame, and must have a budget that you're willing to do. So define your goals. Are they increasing appointments for specific services? Did you add a new piece of equipment at a dermatology practice? Promoting new patient specials, enhancing brand awareness in your local community, or driving traffic to your website? If you're a pediatrician and school's going to be starting in 2 months, perhaps you do some pay-per-click to remind people to get back into your office for their well checks and their immunizations and everything. So by having clear objectives, you can measure your success and optimize your campaigns for the best results. Identify your target audience. The location's important. Use geo-targeting to reach patients within a specific radius of your clinic. Search intent. Target keywords such as urgent care near me or back pain treatment. Demographics. Identify age, gender, and interests relevant to your services. If you're an orthopedic practice, you've got to target people that maybe golf or tennis or different things that can lead to a hip replacement or tendonitis. So by narrowing your audience, you can ensure your ads are shown to the right people and choose the right keywords. These are the foundation for a successful Google Ads campaign, which we've discussed before. To attract potential patients, use high-intent keywords. Focus on phrases that indicate a strong intention to book an appointment, such as best pediatrician in Alamo Heights, which, by the way, that'll be Heritage Pediatrics. Orthopedic doctor near me. That could be Bustamante Orthopedics off of Desaval. Long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases like emergency dental care in Chavano Park. Negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant searches such as job seekers looking for medical assistant roles. That's important. Negative keywords are critical. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help you discover relevant keywords for your medical practice, or you can sign on with us. Part of our setup fee is doing this research for you. Create compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Highlight what sets your practice apart, including a strong call to action. Here's an example. Need a trusted dermatologist in Dallas? Book your appointment today for expert skincare. Call now or visit our clinic. Key tips for writing this ad copy. Use attention-grabbing headlines. Emphasize unique selling points. Include keywords naturally in the text. And encourage immediate action with phrases like call now, book today, or schedule an appointment. Use ad extensions to maximize visibility. Google Ads allow you to add extensions to provide additional information and improve your CTR, your click-through rate. Common extensions include call extensions. Display your phone number so patients can call directly from the ad. Location extensions. Highlight your clinic's address and allow users to find directions. Site link extensions. Link to specific pages on your website, such as book an appointment or meet our team. And promotion extensions. Advertise any current discounts or offers. These extensions make your ads more dynamic and increase the chances of engagement. Optimize your landing page. Your ads will direct users to a landing page, and its quality can significantly impact your conversion rate. Best practices include consistency. Ensure your landing page matches the content and CTA in your ad. Fast loading times. This is important all the time. Slow pages can cause potential patients to leave. Clear CTAs. We talked about the patients leaving last week. Include buttons like book an appointment or call us now. And trust signals. Highlight patient reviews, awards, or certifications to build credibility. Implement conversion tracking. Conversions tracking helps you understand which ads and keywords are driving results. You can track actions like online appointment bookings, phone calls made from ads, form submissions, or inquiries. Using Google Ads conversion tracking tools, you can measure ROI and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Focus on local SEO and Google Maps integration. Combine your Google Ad campaigns with your Google Business Profile to dominate local search results. Show up in that 3-pack. By optimizing your Google Business Profile, your practice will appear in Google Maps listings when potential patients search for healthcare services nearby. Leverage remarketing to re-engage patients. Remarketing allows you to target users who have already visited your website but didn't take action. You can display tailored ads to remind them of your services or promotions. For example, haven't scheduled your annual checkup? Book now and stay healthy. Limited spots available for dermatology services. Reserve your appointment today. And then analyze and adjust your campaigns. Google Ads provides robust analytics to evaluate your campaign performance. Monitor metrics such as CTR, click-through rate, cost per conversion, how much are you paying for every person that comes through, impressions and reach, and conversion rate. Use this data to adjust your keywords, ad copy, or budget for better results. And the benefits of using Google Ads for your medical practices: increased patient volume. By targeting high-intent searches, you can consistently attract new patients. Competitive edge. Stay ahead of competitors who may not be investing in digital advertising. Enhanced visibility. Appear at the top of search results for local healthcare services. And measurable ROI. Track every click, call, and appointment to understand your campaign's success. And what are our final thoughts? I'm going to tell you right now. Google Ads is a powerful tool that can transform how medical practices attract and retain patients. By targeting the right audience, using compelling ad copy, and optimizing campaigns, you can significantly boost your practice's visibility and growth. Whether you're a small clinic or a large healthcare provider, a well-executed Google Ad strategy can provide measurable results and help you stand out in a crowded market. So if you're ready to take your medical practice to the next level, contact us, and we will help getting you started on the proper online and inbound marketing journey that will get you the most success. Also, if you're worried about SEO, or you're worried that your website is out of date, you can use the free audit tool found on every single page of our site. If you want to make big changes in your website, you can take advantage of our free website program where we will build you a completely new custom WordPress website at no charge. Well, that's it for today. Leave a like, a comment, smash that subscribe button, and let us know your thoughts. We look forward to seeing you each week. We look forward to seeing you next week. And until then, my name is Michael Carroll for Strottner Designs, and be good. But if you can't be good, definitely be careful. Have a great day.